Ready to flash your brightest smile yet? In today's video, we're diving into the best teeth whiteners that actually deliver results. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains or just want a radiant glow, we've tested and ranked the top products to help you achieve that Hollywood-worthy smile. From strips to gels, pens to LED kits, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite whitening hack in the comments. Let's get started. Number 1. Snow Diamond Teeth. Great for quick results and sensitive teeth, the Snow Diamond Wireless Teeth Whitening Kit was a clear winner during our test. Within just one use, the portable LED device brightened our teeth by a whole shade, something that took several uses, if not weeks, with other products we'd tried. This device didn't cause any pain or adverse side effects on our sensitive teeth, and the LED was comfortable and unobtrusive enough to wear while we worked. The hands-free wireless LED mouthpiece was easy to wear for treatment at any time, and its included case is UVC self-cleaning for total cleanup after every treatment. The included gel lasts for up to 25 treatments, and we liked that it didn't leave a bitter taste. Number 2. Opalescence Tooth. Opalescence Go Pre-Filled Trays wins our pick for best teeth whitening trays. A whitening tray can offer a happy medium between white strips and an LED device, typically with a more comfortable and sometimes more effective output. The Opalescence Go pre-filled trays use a 15% hydrogen peroxide treatment, which is higher than some of the other options on our list, meaning you'll get faster results. We noticed almost immediate results after one use, although the higher dose causes some discomfort and sensitivity. We tried the higher formulation, but Opalescence also makes its trays in a 10% hydrogen peroxide formulation. Opalescence is also a favorite brand of dentists, particularly Dr. Vallejo. More clinical studies, articles, and reviews have been published on Opalescence whitening than any other professional whitening brand. It's part of the reason why it's so highly trusted, she says. Number 3. Crest Leave-On Teeth. The Crest Whitening Emulsion with LED light stands out as the best overall teeth whitening product due to its ease of use, effectiveness, and comfort. Its simple, straightforward process, coupled with the ability to carry on with normal activities during treatment, makes it highly convenient and user-friendly. With noticeable results and a gentle formula that minimizes sensitivity, it provides an unparalleled whitening experience. The whitening process was remarkably straightforward, and it was so simple that we initially doubted if we were doing it correctly. All we had to do was apply the gel, carry on with our daily activities for 30 minutes. Number 4. Purely White Deluxe Teeth. The Purely White Deluxe Teeth Whitening Kit is our pick for best teeth whitening kit for stains. It's an LED-powered device that's great at targeting 10 years' worth of stains and spots on the teeth with minimal sensitivity. There's no app with this teeth whitening kit, and the process is simple and reminiscent of many other whitening kits on the market. The process itself was simple and quick, taking about 12 minutes per session. We immediately saw a difference in certain spots of our teeth after using the kit. However, the whiteness did seem to fade over time. While this device doesn't need to charge, we did experience some issues with the batteries. Turning it on and off can be a struggle, and in order for it to operate properly, at times we had to completely remove the batteries. Despite these challenges, we still think the product is worth its price tag, as it does work. Number 5. EnoPro Teeth Whitening. The Natural Teeth Whitening Strips Kit offers a safe and effective solution for achieving a brighter smile without the use of harsh chemicals. Designed specifically for those with sensitive teeth, this kit includes 14 treatments, 28 strips that are peroxide-free and enamel-safe, ensuring a gentle yet powerful whitening experience. The strips are formulated to remove deep stains caused by coffee, tea, wine, smoking, and other common culprits, delivering instant teeth whitening results without causing harm to your teeth or gums. Ideal for daily use, these whitening strips are easy to apply and fit comfortably on your teeth. They work by utilizing natural ingredients that break down surface stains and penetrate deeper to lift discoloration, revealing a noticeably whiter smile in just a few applications. The sensitive, teeth-friendly formula ensures minimal sensitivity, making it suitable for those who may experience discomfort with traditional whitening products. Each kit provides a full course of treatment, allowing you to maintain your results over time.